Yo, what's up guys? Before we started the video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to K&W Powdercoating. They charged me less than half of what everybody else quoted me, and they did a really awesome job on my wheels. So yeah, if you need some wheels powder coated and you're in the Calgary or surrounding area, definitely hit them up. Tell them Jesse sent you. Let's get on with the video. What's up guys? So long awaited day, we're finally going to be putting the wheels on the Supra today. So right now I've got the car jacked up. My plan for today is to take these rear tires and I'm going to be putting them on the front, and then I'm going to be putting the new tires on the rear of the new wheels, and then putting all those wheels on the Supra. But right now, yeah, we're just going to work on taking these wheels off and then bringing everything to my work to get the tires mounted. So yeah, these will be the tires going on the front. They're 265 35 R18s. Lots of tread left, so I'm not really too worried about it. Okay, so we got everything set up and ready to go. We're gonna go load up the truck with the new wheels and the new tires, and then bring it around back to pick up these, and then we're gonna go get a few more things before we head to work to get the tires mounted. Yeah, I guess this is something you guys haven't really seen yet, but these are my new tires. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them. I'll put that right here. But they're 275 40 R18s, and then I'm gonna have 265s in the front. So almost square fitment, should be a pretty beefy tire setup, and really good for track. So I'm super excited to test these out. So I'm filming this while backing up, so hopefully I don't hit anything, but I got the wheels loaded. So what I'm gonna do now is get some paint. I'll explain in a second, and then I'm gonna lift and then head to my work to mount the tires. I also quickly just wanted to apologize for the iPhone video quality. Really exciting news though, I've been saving up for a long time for a new camera, so I'm gonna be getting one. David and Charles already have pretty nice cameras, but the one I'm getting, you should be excited for it. I'm very excited, so that'll be happening soon, and then I'll be putting up some really cool videos after that. What's up guys? So just got to the gym. There's a Canadian Tire just over there, and I brought my penny board, so we're gonna go roll over there and grab some paint first. Oh shit, don't hit me. Oh, my obstacle course is still here. I'll show you guys a video of me doing this. Okay, so it's kind of a last minute decision, but the reason I bought paint is for seeing as that my wheels are black, I think it'd be really nice if these kind of blended a bit more. So I borrowed these from work. I'm gonna paint them black, unfortunately in the parking lot, and then we're gonna put them on later. Okay, so I just painted them black. Don't judge my painting skills based off of this. I did this underneath my car in like high wind and like cold temperatures, so it doesn't really matter. They don't have to be perfect. I just want them to be black and less visible. So right now we're gonna go lift and then go mount my tires. Yeah.
Going on at Jesse's work. I'm gonna be basically just dropping off these 2 tires for Jesse to mount onto his old wheels so that I can roll on those, because the wheels that I'm borrowing right now are actually gonna be going back to my buddy Riley so he can drive his car. Oh, there's Jesse right there. Damn bro, nice shirt. So yeah, I'm dropping these off. Jesse's gonna put them onto his old wheels, and then
good timing. Yeah.
I'm gonna be running on my battleship fitment. Sunken battleship fitment.
Not bad.
Well,
yeah, I'll show you where to park. You can just like go anywhere over there.
Anywhere?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, I see the spot. These wheels are minty. It's like I'm going from one 5-spoke design to another 5-spoke. These are what, 9s?
Yeah.
9s and 8s. Just Lexus things, just state of the art.
Yo, these are reversed.
These are 265s. Jamie, yo, what's up, man? How are you? Hey, your truck looks sick, man. If you love it, lube it.
Stiff, man.
Hey. Thanks. So I'm not gonna have wheels for like another 2 weeks here.
So you have to roll on these?
Yeah. There you go.
at it yet. Damn, that looks so good. I'm gonna need to camber this side in a little bit though. The alignment's a bit uneven. They look way better in person. So obviously if you guys are coming to Driven is so soon. Really hope to see you guys there. Say hi, come check out our booth, come check out the cars, come talk to us. We love meeting you guys, so hope to see you all there. So I'm sure one of the questions you guys are asking me is, Jesse, why didn't you get Workmeisters? And the answer is really simple. Way too many Supras have them. They're overplayed in my opinion. An awesome looking wheel, like don't get me wrong, I really love the way they look, but you know, I really want this car to stand out and be different from the rest. Anyways, thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you so much for the support. You really have no idea how much it means to us.
My goal with this car is to set my own standards for originality and self-expression. It is to be a visual result of who and what I am as a person. And lastly, it is to be built with passion.